Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you some tactical analysis over on the DOGECOIN charts as the current price action is setting up into a bear pennant and the price is actually getting squeezed, so we could see a breakout or a breakdown, and typically these are bearish patterns, so you might want to proceed with caution. So with that in mind, let's jump right into the charts. And we will start over here on the daily candles for Dogecoin USDT on the Binance exchange. And over the past few weeks, you can see Dogecoin has been basically trading sideways and consolidating, which will typically lead to a breakout either towards the top side or the downside. Now, if we drop in our drawing tools, you can see that this bear pennant is setting up ever since the crypto market basically dumped. Dogecoin followed right along, and since that dump, the entire crypto market for the most part has just been moving sideways, waiting for its next big move. And the price is actually getting squeezed into the tip of this pennant, which could lead to that next big move. And unfortunately, if you're bullish, this pattern typically breaks bearish, hence the name bear pennant. And if the price does break bearish, then our target would be something along the lines from the top to the bottom of the trend lines. And then we drop in our target along the bottom trend line, and that would put the price of Dogecoin right around almost 5.5 cents. And that would make sense, as that is where it kind of wicked into back on this candle here. And so that would more than likely be a valid target if Dogecoin's price does break down. Now, on the flip side, if the price of Dogecoin breaks out towards the top side, then the bulls would perhaps be looking to charge up here to just above 7 cents. And if we look back and check our 6, more than likely run into resistance at around that 7 cent level where that was prior support. A lot of times prior support will flip into future resistance, and vice versa. Prior resistance often flips into support. So with that all being said, if we actually drop in the Recon Auto Fib retracement levels, this indicator will actually show us potential support and resistance levels. And probably the most important level currently is going to be this 786 level, coming in just above 6 cents. And you can see this 786 level on the Fibonacci retracement happens to be matching up very well to support on the bottom of all these wicks. Dogecoin is apparently finding support right around 6 cents. Also a round number, more than likely a psychological number. And with that in mind, if this level of support is broken towards the downside, then the bears would be looking to crush the price more than likely all the way back down to this 5.5 cent level, which again Dogecoin price wicked into on this candle here. After 5.5 cents, the next Fibonacci level comes in at the 1272, and that is just below 5 cents. More than likely, somewhere around that 5 cent zone would be your next level of support. From the 1272, the next level down is the 1618, and that is just below 4 cents. So again, 4 cents, somewhere in that zone, would be your next level of support. So for the downside, obviously the bulls are looking for 786 or around 6 cents to hold. Then the next target really would be that 5.5 cents. After that, it could be a free fall down here to 5 cents or maybe 4 cents. Now, on the flip side, if the bulls can actually get the buy pressure and push the price up, the first level of resistance is going to be the 618 level, coming in here just above 6.5 cents. You can see the price did wick above, however the candles closed and rejected right at that 618 level or just above 6.5 cents. Now if the bulls can advance the price above the 618 level, the next target is the 50% level, coming in just around 7 cents. After that, you're looking back up at this 382 level, which is just below 7.5 cents. And so if we look back and check our 6, we can see the 382 level was a level of support back here until obviously it wasn't. when the price actually broke down and then got crushed all the way down. So more than likely this 382 level, somewhere between 7 cents and 7.5 cents, is going to be a key level of resistance. A push above that and perhaps the bulls could charge this price up here to a new higher high, maybe looking at around 8.5 cents. But right now, in reality, Dogecoin's price is actually bearish. We have the bearish pennant setting up, and if we drop in the Recon EMA ribbon, you can see the ribbon itself has flipped with the red and yellow EMAs on the top and your green and blue EMAs on the bottom. And anytime the price is under the EMA ribbon, that is bearish. Also, you can see the orange line here. That is your 120-day moving average, and that is actually sloping down along with the downward slope of the EMA ribbon. This indicator is currently sending off a very bearish signal. And thus, if you're feeling bullish on Doge, you probably want to proceed with caution and maybe actually look at a sell-off as buying opportunities. Now, I think that's enough jaw-jacking for this video. If there are any major price changes over here on the charts, I will do an update video. So now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, perhaps you want to see tactical analysis on other altcoins, drop those down in the comment section down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.